Hello friend, today I will discuss on polynomials in which I will teach you what is polynomial, how much type of polynomial at a given point, zero of the polynomial, relationship between zero and coefficient of the quadratic and cubic polynomial, and at last I will do the some numerical related to the polynomial. First of all, what is polynomial? Polynomial is an expression of fx equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube up to so on an x to the power n, where an not equal to 0. It can be written as a polynomial and expression. An expression of the form polynomial fx equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on plus an x to the power n, where an not equal to 0 is called polynomials of polynomials is called polynomial in x of degree n. Here a naught, a1, a2 up to an is a real number. A naught, a1, a2 up to an is a real number, and degree of x power 1, x power 2, x to the power n is a non-negative integer, and degree of x is non-negative integer according to the part of the expression, and degree in the other sense we can say that according to the degree of the expression, polynomial has been classified into many names. First of all, that I will study about constant polynomial of degree x power degree 0. It can say that a naught x to the power 0. We know that x to the power 0, the value of x to the power 0 is equal to 1. There is no effect in a naught, is a constant polynomial. Int x of degree 0. If we draw the graph of this constant polynomial, the graph of this constant polynomial will be like that. it is a x-axis and it is y-axis. The graph of this constant polynomial will be like this. Here a naught is a some constant value like -2, -1, 2, 3, 4. It may be anything as per the question. Second is linear polynomial. It has been divided according to the degree of x. ठीक है. Now linear polynomial a naught a1x plus a naught is a linear polynomial. In x of degree 1. If we draw the graph of this polynomial, the graph of this polynomial will be like this. Here something constant value a naught, something a naught constant value, and this is the graph a1x plus a naught of the polynomial. Now third is quadratic polynomial. Here degree is 1, so it is linear polynomial. Now in quadratic polynomial, the degree of x is 2. a2x square plus a1x plus a naught is a quadratic polynomial in x of degree 2. If we draw the graph of this quadratic polynomial as per the putting the value of x -2, -1, 2, 3, 4, anything, then we draw the graph, then the graph of this quadratic polynomial will be parabolic in nature and symmetric about y-axis. It is a parabolic in nature it is parabolic and symmetric about y-axis. You know. Now fourth is cubic polynomial. I am removing this constant polynomial expression. Fourth one is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial a3 x to the power 3 plus a2 x square plus a1 x plus a naught is cubic polynomial in x of degree 3. If we draw the graph of this cubic polynomial, the graph of this cubic polynomial will be like this. Putting the value of x minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, and make the table and draw the graph of this polynomial. The graph of this polynomial like this. The graph of this polynomial cubic. It is a graph of cubic polynomials. Fifth is biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. A4 x to the power 4 plus a3 x cube plus a2 x square plus a1 x plus a naught is a biquadratic polynomial in x of degree 4. It has to be considered. It has to be remembered that a4 not equal to 0, where a4 not equal to 0, here where a3 not equal to 0. In every case, the first term of polynomials, the coefficient of polynomials, the degree of x, the coefficient of degree of x q must not be equal to 0 in every case. If you draw the graph of this quadratic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, the graph of this biquadratic polynomial will be like this. Will be. It is a biquadratic polynomial. Why biquadratic? Because x to the power 4. 4 is to the x to the power 4. Now I will study value of a polynomial at a given point. Next topic. It is a next topic. Value of polynomial. Value of polynomial at a given point. For, as we know that polynomial is an expression, and if we divide according to the degree, there are so many types of polynomials, and we will study here much more about quadratic polynomials, and somehow cubic polynomial also. It is in the syllabus. Here I will study about much more. I will confine much more in the quadratic polynomials. As we know that quadratic polynomial is a2x square plus a1x plus a naught, in which I will know about what is the value of polynomial at a given point of x equal to alpha. If we uh, write something, if fx is polynomial, if fx is polynomial, where x equal to alpha is some constant value, then the value of the polynomial will be then the value of polynomial will be as a constant value. It can be write as uh, fx fx equal to, it is a quadratic polynomial, a2x square plus a1x plus a naught. There is something, I take some example of quadratic polynomial, in which way I will try to understand you that what is the value of polynomial at a given point. Let us take an example that fx equal to x square minus 2x minus 3 and x equal to 2. Then we will find that what will be the value of polynomial at a given point. Here x equal to 2, I will put here x equal to 2, then 2 to the square minus 2 into 2 minus 3. 2 to the power square means 4. 4 minus 4 minus 3 equal to minus 3. Here minus 3 is the value of quadratic polynomial at x equal to 2. Here fx equal to minus 3 is the value of polynomial at x equal to 2. In questions, uh, many types of questions can be uh, drawn, like x equal to 3, x equal to 4, anything. As per the questions, I have to put the value of x and and find out what is the value of polynomial at a given point. Now, zero of the polynomial. What is zero of the polynomial? My third topic is. It is the value of x where the polynomials of fx is equal to 0 is called as the zero of the polynomial. Let us take an example. Firstly, I write the definition what is zero of the polynomial. If fx is polynomial and x equal to alpha, where the value of the polynomial where the value of the polynomial becomes 0 is called zeros of the polynomial, where a2 not equal to 0, where a2 not equal to 0 in the case of quadratic polynomial. Let us take an example. Fx equal to a2x square a1x plus a naught. Take an example, same I take the same example. Fx equal to x square minus of 2x minus of 3 at x equal to minus 1, and we put this x equal to minus 1, we will get some result. That what is result? Minus 1 to the power square minus of 2 minus of 1 minus of 3. 1 minus minus plus 2 minus 3, 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Here f of minus 1 equal to 0. It means that it is a zero polynomial, zeros of the polynomial at x equal to minus 1.